Hey, what is up guys? So today I'm going to show you how to repair a microwave door spring as well as the microwave bulb. So as you can see, this microwave door, the spring of the hinge has broken off. And as you can see right here, that part is where the spring attaches, but it's no longer there because I removed it. And once again, this door opens from up to down, as you may have seen or noticed. So now this is the new spring that I've purchased for about $10, and this is the old spring that had broken off. So as you can see, one part is already broken off, so that spring is of no use. And now we're going to go ahead and attach a new spring. So now let me show you where the spring attaches, and the spring attaches right in this hole over here, so be sure to check for any kind of holes that look like this. And once again, we're going to take a look at a pin, and this fully round part attaches to our door hinge, and this other part attaches to the microwave to just the microwave hole, as you can see right there. So once again, this part where you have to attach the spring to the microwave is a little bit tricky, but it is also easy. As you can see right here, I've managed to do it. And now to make easy access, we are going to just remove these two wires that are getting in the way, but make sure that you remember in which plug that they plug into, because for this the polarity matters, as one is ground and one is positive. So after we have tucked in the wires safely, we are going to try to attach the spring to the door hinge with our hand, but as you can see, stretching the spring is really difficult, so I had to resort to a pair of needle nose pliers, just like these ones, as you can see. So once again, you're going to go ahead and grab the spring with the needle nose pliers and stretch it all the way up. And also we're going to make sure to close our door, so that the door hinge is much nearby for the spring to attach. And this also takes a little bit of effort, but it is really easy once you get it done, just like this. And as you can see right here, whether the door is open or closed, the spring is under a lot of high tension. So once again, just make sure that while opening and closing the microwave door handle, you have to be really gentle and careful, as being hard with this will break the spring off. But once again, the spring is really high quality and is made to last for up to 5 years or more. So now we are going to go ahead and attach a new light bulb. Now this light bulb just costed me around $2, so it's fine. And as this, most of the microwaves use the same bulb. So this microwave bulb attaches upwards instead of the usual bulb attaching downwards in other microwaves. So now to attach a bulb, we can see that we have to first open a door, and a bulb attaches right on top over there in that slot. Now as you may have noticed that it was easier to attach the light bulb first instead of the spring, but what I did was I attached the spring first, which was a huge mistake, but that's okay. And once again, you're going to need a thin screwdriver like this, and also the screw that came with the original light bulb which I removed before. And while fitting, make sure you attach the screw to the screwdriver. So now once the light bulb slots into its slot, you can go ahead and just screw this in. And it is hard to say, but I took almost 30 minutes to do this task and to find the right hole where it screws into. So make sure the screw is fully tight. And now we are going to go ahead and attach our two wires, and once again make sure the wires click in. And for these, the polarity doesn't matter, because this is AC power that is going to the light bulb. So once again, doesn't matter, but make sure it clicks. And now lastly, we are going to attach our two wires that are connected to the bottom, and once again make sure you plug these into the right plugs, because for these the polarity matters, because one is ground and one is a positive connection. So as you can see right here, I have just cut myself while attaching the light bulb, so be sure to take care of that while doing this job. As you can see, we have completed a microwave repair that is repairing a door spring as well as attaching a new bulb. So if you're curious, my microwave model number is right here, NNC7 something something, and also the microwave looks just like this. It's all almost about 5 to 10 years old, so that's it. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching and peace out.